Okay, hi. This is the fifth FabFitFun unboxing. So just gonna go through this first part really fast. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I did a whole bunch of add-ons again because I'm like starting to get really obsessed with those. I did this Petta Jane Perfection Tanning Mist. Looks like fun. I could really use it. I don't know why, but I decided to get another little neck pillow thing for more vacays. And then, boot camp for your brows, because who doesn't need it? Give me some more brows. This little roller thing for your face. I don't know. I don't know why I get these things. I just do them. Oh, silicone wine glasses. I don't know what I'm thinking when I get stuff. Oh, but we can drink out of wine glasses at the pool this summer, you guys. Yay! Cabana Cold Wine Chiller. I don't know what I get. Just tear the box open. This actually looks kind of fun, so I will show you. I don't remember what it is. Oh! It's really cheap looking. I thought it was like the ones that they have at that place at Down on Greasing, but it's not. It's a lot cheaper, not like solid marble or granite like the other stuff is. But this is a wine cooler. Could be cute, who knows? Okay. After sun care. I really could have used all this stuff right after Mexico. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a beach towel thing? I don't know. Oh, cuticle oil and hand treatment. I don't know why I need that either. Oh my gosh, did I get enough? Oh, a beach bag, because I needed a beach bag apparently. Ooh. The Blur Restorative Micro Needle Treatment. Somebody wants to do this to their face, like, no. We'll get rid of this. Okay. Okay, so now we can finally get to the actual box. That is like smushed from all my add-ons and upside down. Okay. Ouch. I don't know why I do this every time. Hold, please. What happens when you have long nails too. Okay. So this is the spring box. Spring sounds right. It looks like spring. Yes. Here's this. We don't care. We don't care. Ooh. These are cute. Indigo tie-dye bowls. From West Elm. I love West Elm. And Lord knows, I love the blue. So this will work super cute, I think. Let's see. Ooh. Very cute. Oh look, they're like tie-dye. They're really cute. They're like this on the outside, this on the inside. Cream on the inside, cream on the outside. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream pizza. Okay, they're all the same on the inside, but have cute little different designs on the outside. Super cute. Blurb. And then Grace and Stella Spray All Day Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. Anything that's rose has got to be the bomb, I say. Let's see here. Let's smell it. Miss 4 to 5 sprays onto your face. Doesn't say how far away, Carly, so I think it's gonna go like right here. Let's try it real quick. Oh, I'm gonna take my glasses. little bit further away. Okay, you need longer arms for that, because man, that shoots out at your face. And it smells refreshing. But good grief. Sweet merce. Okay, well that was fun. Ooh. Generation Clay, ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. Is this for your hair? Oh, no, it's for your body. Apply an even layer to clean, dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes until the mask starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse off your mask in circular motions. Okay, this is on my face. It's to brighten. Brightening purple clay mask. Does this go on your face or your body? Refine, brighten, illuminate, and nurture. Not nature, nurture. Oh, well, maybe I think this is a face thing. I don't know what it smells like. It smells kind of funky. Oh, but it's a mask, so I guess it definitely isn't clean skin. Oh, it smells kind of weird. Ultraviolet. I mean, I thought this would go for my hair. No, sure don't. Oh, an exfoliating foot mask. Let's mask my feet. From Wish. Coconut milk and verbena. Exfoliating foot mask. Soothes and softens. Intense hydration. Well, let's see. I can already tell that this smells way better than that purple junk. Definitely smells good, for sure. Use ideally at bedtime. Apply liberally to desired area and let dry. Go to bed and awake with softer feet. Rinse after 8 to 12 hours. So yeah, perfect timing. Ooh, oh, it smells good. It's on my feet. Oh, it's very oily. I see why they say it nighttime. So maybe put it on and then put some fluffy socks on your feet. Okay, all right, and we're done there. Okay, all right, so that sucks. Don't do that one. That's weird. Okay, wash your hands immediately after. Ooh, this is, makeup setting spray that has sunscreen in it. Carly, we were looking for this. And now we know that Cola has it. Something sounds broken. Ugh. I feel like I'm gonna, oh no, it's the shaker thing in here. But it is. It's set-in spray that has SPF in it. Let's spray some more stuff on my face. Oh, this is like a more of a fine mist. But I don't know what that smell is. Smells like alcohol and sunscreen mixed together. Yeah, that was not. I don't know how I feel about all these freaking scents today. Of course, who doesn't love the Invisibobble? Invisibobble? I don't know, but I love these. This was a mystery choice. I didn't know what this was. It was a mystery choice. From Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Cleansing Oil. Oh. Okay, it takes makeup off. makeup remover as it effectively and delicately removes makeup and leaves the skin incredibly soft and hydrated. Can be used daily. Okay. Burn 3 resistance bands. Burn 60 is high intensity interval training for all fitness levels. Our signature training program is designed to help you work smarter, maximize calorie burn, and tone major muscle groups. Ooh, tvfabfitfun.com/partner/burn60 or burn60.com. Apparently they want you to like do a routine with this thing. But there are 3 burn resistance bands. A black one, holla at your girl, a white one, and a red one. Don't know, we'll see. Probably never use that. Okay. And lastly is another towel. It's like that weird feeling. Can y'all see like the feeling of it? Yeah, it's one of those. Yeah. Burn. I think this is a pretty big towel. Oh, you want to wash it separately from everything else, it says. Oh. Looks like a cute design. Oh, look, it's like not normal on the edges. It's like weird stuff. I don't know. Oh, well, that's weird. It's a towel, but it's like a little round, like it's not very big. Yeah. Let's open up this one and see what this one is. This one looks like more fun. It's definitely softer. I like the way this one feels. I can already tell it's a lot bigger. Oh, this is cute. See all the different colors? Purpley, red, maroony, bluey, 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 bluey. Yeah! This one's a good one. This is a body towel. Oh, can you see me? It goes all over me. This is a great towel. Very, very good. But let's see what this I'm Repair After Sun Cica Care. It rhymes. CICA Care. Dermatologically, I hate that word. Dermatologically tested. Doesn't make sense. Doesn't sound like a real thing. Relieve some sunburn, cool recovery. Strengthen skin barrier. You know it's really good? When it's all in a different language. Do you see that? Why is this not focusing? Focus. Focus. I don't know if you can see, but it's all in a different language. Another language. Don't know if I'll be using this. It's made in Korea. Can't read it. I don't know. Maybe that's why it says dermatologically. So let's look at this little guy. And obviously if you're over this, like you don't have to keep watching the video. I just felt like I went through the box really fast, so I thought I would go through my add-ons now. Oh. These things look a little cheap and weird. Ooh, definitely need to be like thoroughly cleaned. Yeah, like I really don't think I would ever drink out of that unless Carly washed them. Oh man. I mean, I guess they're kind of cute on the like a pool. I don't know. What else? Ooh, let's look at this restorative micro needling treatment. Ooh, I've been wanting to do this for so long. I'll probably need a friend to come help me with the, ooh, it comes with like a little mirror. Holla at your girl. Oh, you wanna see my setup? This is my setup. Hi. Okay. Your application guide. Apply the concentrate on freshly cleansed skin. Allow absorption for 1 to 3 minutes. Gently bend mask to remove both sides of clear film. Starting from center. Remove white protective film from hydrolonic, you know what I mean, acid microneedle side of the mask. Apply mask to desired area, gently pressing to facilitate absorption of active ingredients. Avoid rubbing sideways. Wear mask 45 minutes to 3 hours for maximum performance. Mask may also be worn overnight. What? Wait, I thought microneedling. Whoa, I thought I was gonna get like I thought I was gonna get like this. Like, when you say a microneedling treatment, I picture like I want an actual needle on my face. I thought like this would have needles on it, and I'm like, microneedling my face. That's what that was gonna happen. And I was gonna really get right here to make all my pores get smaller, and here. But no, there's no needles on this. And I just got it all really greasy. But it's a really cool feeling. I wonder if I put this under my eyeballs, if it makes them less, yeah. But I wonder what this is actually for. This roller is both easy to use and feels super smooth on skin. Gentle, steady pressure is all that is needed. Lightly grasp the roller close to the base, close to the brass part on either end as shown. Keep your wrist close to your face when you use this tool. You do not need to press hard or roll swiftly to feel relief. Can be used daily, morning and evening. Relief from what? Ancient Egyptians believed that rose quartz crystals had anti-aging properties. It is thought that goddess Isis would gather rose quartz crystals by the Nile River and use them to keep her skin clear and wrinkle-free. These beautiful soft pink crystals are commonly known for their powerful vibrations to heal the heart from sentiments of lost love, anger, resentment, and jealousy. Lost love. I don't even have any love. Maybe of sentiments of lack of love. Love lackluster. I don't know. Jealousy, probably. Resentment, probably. Anger, most likely. Rose quartz is believed to also lower stress, raise self-esteem, restore confidence, and balance emotions. Lord, I need to keep some rose quartz with me at all times to balance out them emotions. Man, my hair looks real good in this light. Man, like blondie. Very shiny. Anyways, ooh, it helps reduce inflammation and support renewal of skin cells. Regularly massage with this luxurious rose quartz facial roller to help release stiffness and tension in the facial and neck muscles. This refreshes blood circulation and oxygen supply to the skin, which helps improve elasticity and skin tone. Lymphatic drainage is stimulated with gentle and persistent downward pressure of the roller, which can reduce puffiness and sagging, particularly around the cheeks and eyes. Oh. Yes. Yes, please. I feel like I'm shading my face. Oh, yes, please. Yes, queen. I don't know. Cool. Now this is very oily and makeup-y. Yeah. I feel like that's what ooh. This I'm excited for. Spray tan. Instantly bronze and glamorize your skin to perfection with ease. Realistic tan, leaving an exotic aroma behind. Oh, well, we gotta smell it. Oh, this is like aerosol can. Let's just spray this. Oh, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, with all these other scents, I really don't think this is gonna be a good scent. But let's see. We're gonna spray it on this box so we can see the color too. That's really making me nervous, you guys. Okay, I just said you guys, not y'all. Ugh. Ooh. I mean, of course it has like the faint hint of the tanning smell on it, but look at that color. But it's not. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, at first it doesn't smell so bad, but I mean, it's tanning crap. What do you expect? I really don't know. Now that it's like this, I don't know if I'll use this or not. We'll see. Anywho, well, that is my unboxing video for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, Coda Rose just let out the nastiest fart and it smells so bad. I would rather smell this weirdness. No, I'd rather smell Coda's fart. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and crap, and I think we're done with that. Like who cares? This is, I think y'all are all over it by now. Anywho, well, have a good night. See you later. Hope you liked your FabFitFun box too. Goodbye.